Hello everyone, how are you? So welcome to my channel, Sethkeo. Okay, so today I'm going to present about how to ask where are you from in Cambodian language or Khmer language. Okay, so let's go. Where? Where means Anna. Okay. You near you from Murphy from Murphy Cambodia ប្រទេសកម្ពុជា Cambodia ប្រទេសកម្ពុជា Where I am You near From Murphy Cambodia ប្រទេសកម្ពុជា Okay, so let's look at the sentence. Where are you from? Where are you from in Khmer? តើអ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា 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 Where are you from? I'm from Cambodia. I'm from Cambodia in Khmer. ខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជា 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 I'm from Cambodia. And where are you from? You are from England. Where are you from? You are from Thailand. Where are you from? You are from Vietnam. Where are you from? You are from the United States, for example. Okay. So where are you from? តើអ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា តើអ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា Where are you from? For example, you are from the United States. I'm from the United States. ខ្ញុំមកពីសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិក I'm from Thailand. ខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសថៃ I'm from Vietnam. ខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសវៀតណាម I'm from England. ខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសអង់គ្លេស Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understand this. Okay, and you can ask in Khmer. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching. Okay, ជម្រាបលាអរគុណសម្រាប់ការមើល Thank you. Goodbye. ជម្រាបលា